Hey, we're rolling.
Somebody fucked up.
Alright. So we're sitting off.
This is bad.
I'm just about to hit Rob in the boss.
So here, hand me the camera. There we go. Now battle.
Battle. No, show him the soap.
Alright, here's the soap.
This is what happens.
This is why we should not
be allowed to live by
this is why we.
Is it on my?
happens
Oh my
when
god!
6 guys live in one place and they're all really horny.
Fortunately, it all stuck.
No, you didn't.
Fortunately, it all stuck.
How hard is it to do a fucking dishwasher? It doesn't take much that much.
How hard is it to do a fucking dishwasher?
Kill him.
Alright, so how we take it
I
out?
would kill him.
Don't use a napkin. Are you kidding me?
No, you have a roll of paper towel.
Alright, no, I'm gonna smack you because these are just gonna disintegrate and then it's gonna be more to clean up.
We're just gonna go
Holy tits.
Like, yeah, get
Yeah, get a big.
Has this not been making noise? I've been outside this entire time.
No noise.
There was no noise.
It's a silent but deadly thing.
What?
Yeah, there you go.
See something trippy? Here we go. Turn it forward.
You know, to be honest, I thought I
Turn it
saw
forward that way.
something
Turn it forward this way.
last
Now look, there's a billion of them.